Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So as most of you know, I started a Patreon account and it is going so well. So let me tell y'all my plan moving forward, because a lot of y'all was not feeling me posting that teaser video. Before we get into that, look at those long hairs. I did not expect that to come out of there at all. But I was like, ooh, yes, I'm glad I was recording this one. I'm not gonna lie, this was a good one too. I love when there's an ingrown hair trapped underneath the skin. Like, oh my gosh. And then it just pops out. I know y'all see those two in the bottom right hand corner. And yes, I'm gonna get those out too. Of course, I cannot leave those behind. And he was curled up in there like he's supposed to be up in there or something. No, no, sir. You coming out too. Bloop. But yes, y'all, I created a Patreon account and I have a special up right now. And it was like top 150 patrons, they get a discount. So I'm gonna be posting my extraction videos on Patreon from now on. It's the app, and you also can just put it in your search engine and go to it on the web, www.patreon.com. But I'll be posting my videos on there, and I'll post all of my content on Patreon. So on YouTube, I'm going to be posting every other video. For example, if I film a video and complete it by May 1st, I'll post that one on my Patreon, and then not YouTube. And then by May 7th, if I do another video, I'll post that one on my Patreon and my YouTube, and I'll just keep going like that. Luckily, this is YouTube's turn, so this video will make it to my YouTube channel. Yay! So to make it real simple, if you want access to all of my extraction videos, like I'm trying to record a video for my patrons at least once a week. Now I am working in real time, so I hope and pray that God gives me clients who need extractions done, because I want to post for y'all very frequently in that Patreon account. So if you want access to every video that I make, Patreon will be great for you. And it's not high, y'all. I got it real low. I'm not trying to break nobody. I'm just trying to make, some money for my videos, because I spent some time editing it, and I also have to get permission from my clients to record. So that's it. So if you would like to support me on my Patreon, you can go subscribe. I'll put the link in this video. If not, it's completely fine. Thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel. And you can just watch the videos that I post here every other week. I got a little tongue-tied, but now that that's out the way, happy Easter, Resurrection Day to everyone. I'm going to actually post this video the day before Easter, but I hope y'all have a happy holidays and get to spend time with y'all families, because tomorrow it's going down at my grandmother's house, y'all. My daddy is grilling, and he is boiling crawfish and neck bones and corn and potatoes and all that good stuff. Yes, I love me some crawfish, y'all. Ooh, she had a lot of buildup up in there. But I'm pretty sure most of you know, if not all of you, I am from Louisiana. So we eat crawfish. A lot of people call it mud bugs. But y'all, they are so good. If you have the right person boiling them and they put all the seasoning in them, y'all, it is so good. Oh my gosh. My mouth is getting wet just thinking about it. What will y'all be having for Easter? Comment below and let me know what's on y'all Easter menu. What kind of desserts y'all gonna have? What kind of casseroles, dirty rice, ham, turkey, chicken? I don't know, everything. I'm probably making y'all hungry. Y'all, my favorite dessert is red velvet by a long shot. Ooh, I love me some red velvet cake with the cream cheese icing. My baby is up in there whining. Y'all hear? Y'all, this extraction was a little tricky for me, and I think it was because I didn't have my proper equipment to film this extraction, so I couldn't really see as good as I wanted to. That's why you'll see me miss a couple times, but I am going to get it all out. Just keep watching. That's exactly what I'm talking about right here. I was missing, and it's because the light, and I don't think I had the correct tripod that I usually use for my extractions. But for this one, I am gonna have to do something I don't usually do. I am gonna have to squeeze it, y'all. Okay, y'all, I can't even lie. The more I squeeze, the more I am starting to like it. And it's only for certain ones. I feel like the extraction tools work pretty good for me for the most part. Every now and then I have to squeeze out because it just doesn't want to come out with my extraction tool. But I am liking the squeezing. I have been seeing y'all comments about maybe I should get tighter gloves to try to squeeze with. And I also see some of y'all say try squeezing with my knuckles. I'm going to be trying all that, y'all, in the near future. I have to use these gloves that I have for now, though. Whenever I do run out, I'll try to get some surgical gloves or something with a real snug fit. As long as it doesn't stick to my wax while I wax. Did y'all see that white bulb on the end of that hair? That's how you know you're pulling the hair from the root. If you don't have a little bulb on the end, you are breaking the hairs. You are not pulling from the root. I would have liked for this video to be about 5 minutes longer, maybe even 10. I never did a video 25 minutes long. But I would have liked for this one to be a little longer. However, because I am trying to post at least once a week on my Patreon account, I'm just have to give y'all what I have. Hopefully, I have some good ones for y'all in about a week if you're on my Patreon, and then if you're on YouTube in about a week and a half, maybe 2 weeks, I'll be posting another full video. Oh my gosh, look at this underarm. I had to squeeze this one too. I told y'all I'm starting to like squeezing. Let me find out. This is about to be my new thing. But y'all, I do have a client who booked, and she has a lot of blackheads, she said, on her inner thigh. So hopefully she gives me some good footage. I'll record her next week. But thank you guys for continuing to watch, like, and subscribe to my channel. I am trying to get to 100K subs. And on my Patreon, y'all please go subscribe if you want to support me. I don't even have a set goal for my Patreon because literally I'm surprised at how many patrons I have now. So just one patron was a blessing to me. But yes, I love you guys. Thanks for your support. And I hope y'all have a good evening, a good night, and a happy Easter-Resurrection Day. Bye-bye, and see you guys next time. And next week if you're a Patreon.